Are you using rice water for hair growth, but seeing zero results? Or worse, is your hair getting dry, sticky, or frizzy? You're not alone. In this video, I'll share 7 common rice water mistakes that could be damaging your hair instead of helping it grow longer and healthier. Let's make sure you're doing it the right way. 1. Using the wrong type of rice. Not all rice is the same. Many people use white rice, which lacks nutrients. Use brown rice, basmati, or organic rice instead. These types have more vitamins and minerals for your hair. 2. Not rinsing the rice. First, skipping this step can lead to dirty, starchy water filled with dust or chemicals. Always rinse the rice thoroughly before soaking or boiling. 3. Leaving it too long. Leaving rice water to ferment for too long, like more than 48 hours, can cause bacteria buildup. Hat can irritate your scalp and cause a bad smell. Ferment it for 24 to 48 hours max and store in the fridge. 4. Applying on dirty hair. Using rice water on oily or product-filled hair blocks. Absorption. Apply it on freshly washed, clean hair so the nutrients actually soak in. 5. Leaving it in for too long. Rice water is powerful, but it's not a leave-in treatment for everyone. Don't leave it on your hair for hours. 15 to 30 minutes is enough. Longer may dry out your hair and scalp. 6. Not diluting it properly. Using strong, undiluted rice water can be too harsh. Always dilute it with plain water, especially if you have dry or sensitive hair. 7. Using it. Too often, more is not always better. Using rice water daily can overload your hair with protein, causing dryness or breakage. Use it 1 to 2 times per week for best results. Bonus tip. To make rice water even better, mix in aloe vera gel or rosemary oil. They help moisturize and stimulate hair growth naturally. Rice water is amazing, but only when used the right way. Avoid these 7 mistakes, and you'll start seeing longer, shinier, and stronger hair in no time. Have you ever made any of these mistakes? Tell me in the comments.